So today I'm doing a Brookhaven roleplay with my friends Elsie and Lottie, and our roleplay is at the beach adventure. So yeah, it's like a family, yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Yep, and in the comments rate this roleplay out of 10. See you in the video. Oh, breakfast time. Am I going daycare tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. And then am I gonna go? Am I gonna go daycare today, daycare tomorrow, then after daycare tomorrow we're going beach.
Sit down next to your sister.
Good morning, Lola.
Hello. Hi. Oh, Dada. Stop lying down. Go.
Yummy. Can I have milk,
Why are you
please?
crawling?
Can I have milk, please, Mama?
Yeah. Can I one or two? Two. Here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. Thank you, Mama. Oh, I can't wait to go to daycare. I can't get in. There we go.
Pick Robin up. What's Robin the dad?
Yay, we're at daycare. Come on, Lola.
Bye.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye.
Sissy, let's play here. I'm gonna be Monkey. I'm gonna be Mr. Monkey.
I'm gonna put my costume on. I'm putting my costume on. Ah, who's that?
Who's that?
Who is that? Elsie, can you help us?
No.
It's Robin. It's a green monster. Yeah, it's Robin. Oh. Robin, go away.
Guys, right, let's go home. Wait for me.
Lola, hurry up. Okay, I'm not ready.
I can't get in.
You gotta hurry up.
I can't get in.
I know.
There we go.
So we're gonna go to the beach. Okay. But first we're gonna get ready. Yeah.
What? Are we going home?
Yes, we are. Oh, hi. From college. Yay! Did it go well? No. Guys, all the buns here.
Yay, brother!
Yay! I'm going to my room. I'll show you where you're. No, we're going to the beach tomorrow. Actually.
Wait, we got to go pack our stuff because remember we're going in a motel.
Okay, I'll show you where your room is. Come follow me. Robin, this is gonna be your room.
Lola, come on, let's pack our stuff.
Robin, make sure to pack your stuff. Okay.
Where's my suitcase?
Get your PJs. Actually, yeah, get your PJs on because it's gonna be a long drive. Okay.
Okay, I'll pack all my swing stuff in here. Mama, I'm done. I packed all my stuff.
Okay, that was really good. Make sure to get comfy. Oh, one step ahead of me.
Lola said she needs help doing her suitcase.
Okay, I was going to say that get comfy because it's going to be a long ride to But it's time for you to go to bed, okay?
Okay. Let's go sleep.
I know, I just got to find your older brother.
Me.
Robin.
I can't wait to go to the beach.
Hello, big car.
Yeah.
We got to head to the car. We got to start heading to the car. And it's very early, but you've got to come on, let's go.
Oh, it's okay. Is it a 2-hour drive or 1 hour?
It's about 3 hours actually, so it'll be longer.
Oh my gosh.
Robin, where are you? I'm going to get the super comfy pop car out, okay? Okay.
Bro, I'm 18. I can get my Tesla out.
No, you're coming in my car.
Robin, you don't have a driver's license yet.
I'm 18.
Oh yeah, I forgot that my brother's 18.
Okay, everyone, I'm getting gas, and then I'll let you pick out some treats from
I need a shower.
Mark.
Robin's being naughty, Mummy.
I know, I'll go get him. Robin, come on. We're going to get some snacks.
Mama, can I go with Robin? Because
Snacks.
can I go with Robin because he's 18 and he'll take care of me?
So I'm going to come out.
Brother, be careful next time.
Can we get some chips? Yes, you can get some chips, Lola.
I don't want this
No,
milk.
this is only your first time having some Coke.
Oh, ooh,
Feed and Coke.
Coke is so yummy.
Does anyone want chocolate? Does anyone want chocolate?
I want chocolate. Ew, Coke.
Okay.
Robin made me drink Coke, and now I'm obsessed with it. Can we buy 9 cans of Coke?
Maybe when we're at the beach.
Can I get flavored water? Can I get flavored water?
Hurry up. I paid. Come on.
Okay. I'm old enough to drive.
No, Robin, stop being naughty. I can't wait to go to a beach. I'm
Okay,
gonna.
everyone get their snacks out. It's snack time.
I love my chips.
I'm not hungry right now.
Okay, it's fine if you're
It's
not
actually
hungry.
the other way.
You guys
Not
can
right.
go bed if you want.
I'm going in my own car.
No.
No.
I'm scared.
We made it to the beach. No, the motel. Yay!
Yes, and then in the morning we're gonna go. Not today though.
Guys, I'm gonna
Come
get
on,
my own-
wait.
I'm gonna
We need to get our keys. No,
Robin.
Mommy, you forgot to get the keys.
Robin was getting a house. Hi, can I have house? Number 5. Yeah, okay. Robin, get rid of the house. Okay. Yeah.
Robin, you're so naughty.
Found it. Number 5. It's fine.
Wow.
I'll place other beds down. I did this bed. No.
No, that's Mother's bed. Guys,
Okay, guys, so you are allowed to go to the ice cream, but make sure you're back when I say so, okay?
okay.
Robin, you're in charge. Okay.
Bye, Mom.
Come on, guys.
I hope we don't get kidnapped.
You won't. Time to get ready for the day.
Happy, happy, happy.
Hey,
Guys,
Layla, what are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get chocolate.
Same.
Okay.
Actually, I might change when we get there.
Brother, why are we on the road?
Just trust me. Don't worry. There's no cars coming. Who wants to play in the arcade first?
I don't think Mommy said to do that.
Okay.
The ice cream's there, brother.
He's upstairs.
You like the ice cream?
Me. I think everyone likes ice cream.
Time to do a surprise for the kids.
I want chocolate.
I want chocolate.
Wait, brother, do you have your credit card?
Chocolate.
Don't worry.
I got chocolate.
So
Oh,
do
yeah.
I. You got chocolate.
Okay, let's go back.
Alright guys, hop in. Actually, we don't need that.
Let's just walk.
Since I definitely have a driver's license.
Brother's really naughty. Ah, we can't get out, brother.
Yeah.
Brother, we can't get out. We're too
No, it's
small.
not here. It's not here.
No, brother, we're too small. We can't get out. Thank you.
Come on.
I need to pick up.
Carry your younger sister.
Okay, I'll try to. But if she's heavy, then nah. I can't get it. I can't get her. Got her.
God, come on.
Just saying, brother, this isn't. Oh, there's someone shooting one.
Run, run, run.
Wait, Sissy.
Mommy.
Ah! Where are we, bro? Robin's been so bad. Mommy.
No, you
Wing, wing.
Hello?
There was someone shooting. Outside, there was someone shooting with a gun.
Mommy, hungry. Mommy, hungry.
So there was someone Mommy, you're here. Mommy, there was someone shooting, and it got Robin's bike and.
Are you
Scooter. I'm at Scooter. And it flattened the tire, so we was kind of late.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Yeah. So get in. Don't worry, but you're safe now.
Oh,
Guys,
yay!
I made your bed. So Robin, this is your bed. Yeah. Layla, that's your bed, and Lola, this is your bed.
Shouldn't I go in this bed because I'm the younger?
Nah, you go in this bed.
Look, Mommy, I'm a wet panda.
Oh, your outfit's really cute, Layla.
Thank you. Lola, do not eat the food.
Guys, you want to go explore with me? You're not allowed to eat cupcakes. Hi, Robin. Hi, who wants to go explore with me?
No, Robin, do you not remember there was a shooter outside and it was scary?
Oh no, they're gone.
No, I don't want to go back out. I'm scared.
Come here. It's okay. It's gonna be okay.
Okay, I'll
Since
come.
you're older than the other child, you'll be safe. You'll be safe. Right?
I don't think Lola should
Door,
come.
please.
I don't think you should let Lola come.
Yeah,
Because
she'll stay home with me. She'll stay home.
Lola was crying last time.
Come on. I heard something. I'm not sure, but just come with me. I got a
Okay.
red key card, but come here.
I'm gonna stop.
Huh. Come on. Come in.
Where are we gonna go, brother?
Just go on me. I'll piggyback you.
Okay.
Alright, this might be a little bit scary. Over here. Come here. Okay, if you come here, there's a code that says X0X0X. Follow me. Follow me now. Now we go back downstairs, okay?
I don't think we should be here.
It's okay, it's okay. Wait until we're here. Right, follow me. Let's go into the first one.
Mom, can you get my phone?
Right,
Where's there an axe and a sword?
that's for me. I'm going upstairs. Wait, actually, let's let it get into the alien. And now, like I just press. What did that button do? Just check your location, and you shouldn't be where you're being. Where are you? Oh, I don't know. I'm coming now.
Is mommy gonna come?
What is this place?
I can't open the door.
And then I just checked on the news, and it looks like there's green slime. It's all over the news.
Where is Lola?
Error.
Where's
News.
Lola?
Oh my god, the news is on. Oh my god, Lola got taken.
No! Where did...
Open the door.
I can't. I'm too small.
I know the green slime's in here.
No, I don't know where Bro went. He's missing!
I'm coming back.
Oh my god.
Me, I'm really scared. I don't know how to get out.
Where's your brother?
Oh no, the green slime!
Run!
I don't like it. It's
Go to
ugly.
the very top and jump off. I'll catch you. In my car.
Please, green slime, give us back Lola.
Oh, go to the very top now and jump off. I'll catch you.
Mama.
Catch.
Quick! Pretend. Where's brother, mommy?
Don't worry. Guys, that was fun. What did you do?
Oh my god, your green slime. What happened to you?
It's just a costume. Get ranked.
Oh, that wasn't funny.
Serious?
Anyway,
Where's Lola? That's the real deal. Is that actually a green monster?
oh,
yeah,
there is.
There is. Guys, get in the car now.
We needed to get
I
Lola.
know where he went.
Come on, brother. We are
I
never
know
coming
where
back
he
to
went.
that
I'm going on
place.
my own. No, you need to come in our car. It's safer.
It's 2 a.m.,
Mommy.
mommy.
£1,000. If you find understand. Just follow me, okay? Follow me.
I got a driving license.
Yep, follow me. Come on.
I'm coming.
I'm scared. It's 2 a.m. I need to go
Now I'm
back.
going to where he is.
Pause the video.
Mhm.
I can hear crying. Bother, wake up.
Oh,
I can hear
No.
crying noises in the bathroom.
boo.
Oh, you ain't scary. Come on, let's go check out. Mommy, are you okay?
No.
Oh,
Shh, go away, Robin. Why? I know Lola's gone, but
I hear gun noises.
but you don't.
Okay. You guys go back, okay? I'll be okay.
Okay.
Go bed, Robin. It's 5 a.m. You need to get some rest.
Hey, I
night.
should be seeing up.
Wake up.
Good morning. Where's Buffer?
Don't worry, he's at college. I took him at 7 a.m.
Ring, ring, ring.
Okay.
Hello?
You've got to pick me up.
I know, I'll pick you up in a sec. Don't worry.
I need to get ready for daycare.
Can you bring my sisters, please?
Well, one of your sisters are missing, but I'll take the other one, don't worry.
Where do we have to go?
We're coming now, don't worry. Let's go.
Who's at the door?
Lola? I know that's Lola.
Lola!
Lola!
Lola, are you okay?
No.
She's really beaten up badly, Mum.
I know.
She's got
I have to go
bruises.
pick up. I have to go
Ring,
pick
ring,
We need to go pick up brother and then we'll sort her out,
ring,
okay?
ring, ring.
Wait,
Let's go.
Sissy, you're gonna come with us because Green Star might come back. Sissy,
Oh my god. Guys, you stay there for just 1 second. I'm going to get brother.
Wait, can you bring?
come on, Lola.
Can you bring?
Hold on.
My sisters, Rev. Can you bring the sisters?
Guys, hurry up, guys.
Huh?
Why is it all dark in Robin's college?
wait, I found a flashlight. Oh, never
Wait,
mind.
no. I don't want the lights to be on. Guys.
Oh my God, this girl is infected with green slime.
Do any
So did
people
this girl.
infected?
People are infected. Oh my God, it's green slime.
You, Robin, what happened to you?
Can you hide in the maths class room?
Come on, Mummy. Oh my God, there's fire. This is Slimer. You have to leave or die. Mummy, help me.
Can I infect you?
No, Mummy's gonna turn infected. I better run. Mummy, I'll come back for you.
Just wait.
This girl's trying to...
After that,
I need to hide.
sister, come here.
Why are you here?
I'm safe.
Mother got bitten and infected. She's beaten up. Mum's in the corner.
I'm half alive.
Oh no!
Still.
We have to run.
Sorry,
Just
Mother.
save yourself, kids.
Wait, hang on.
They survived.
Go now. I can't believe we went through fire. It was so scary. Well, no.
No, I'm only coughing because of the smoke.
It's okay, brother. We got to go now. There's someone here.
Run!
Monkey, don't worry.
I'm hurt.
Yeah. Quick, quick. Lock the doors. Quick,
Wait,
Quick.
wait.
Turn the lights on. Wait, can you give me
No,
permission?
Lola.
Wait.
Lola, Mummy's infected. Stay away now. Mummy?
There. Don't come near me. I'm still half alive. but I'm not feeling too well.
Okay. Right, guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. We're going to make a part 2. So,
Bye.